All right, so picture this. You're in Miami in 2025. It's hot, you're trying to relax, and boom, your AC gives out.
Yeah, that's rough.
Total nightmare.
Right. So today we're going to do a deep dive into affordable AC repair in Miami, specifically looking ahead to 2025.
Sounds timely.
We're focusing on a company called Wholesale AC Services. They've got this website that's like a cheat sheet for surviving AC disaster in the Miami heat.
Right, because down there it's not just a luxury, it's essential.
Exactly. And Wholesale seems to really get that. They talk about the South Florida heat and humidity like it's its own beast.
Yeah, they make it clear right away they understand the problem.
Almost like they're saying, hey, we know you can't live without AC here, and we're
Mm.
going to make sure you don't have to.
And I like that they don't equate affordability with cutting corner.
Oh, yeah. Good point.
They actually emphasize working with trusted brands
Right.
like Goodman and Rheem.
Mhm.
Those are names you can generally rely on.
So right off the bat, they're building trust. It's not about the cheapest fix. It's about quality at a fair price.
But they go beyond just fixing things, too. They really push energy efficiency as a key part of affordability.
Which is smart because in the long run, that saves people money. They talk about using things like smart thermostats and high-efficiency filters.
I was going to ask about those. So a smart thermostat basically programs itself, right?
Pretty much. It learns your schedule and adjusts the temperature so you're not wasting energy when no one's home.
Hmm.
And the filters, those trap more dust and allergens so your system runs better and your air is cleaner.
So they're not just patching things up, they're thinking about long-term optimization.
Right. They want your system to work smarter, not harder. And with energy costs always going up, that's huge.
And then there's the speed factor. They actually promise same-day service.
Wow, in Miami, that's bold.
I know, right? It makes you wonder how they pull that off. Do they have technicians all over the city? A giant warehouse of parts?
There's got to be some serious organization behind that promise.
But there's someone sweating it out, waiting for a repair. That peace of mind is priceless.
Absolutely, a broken AC in Miami.
Yeah.
That's not just an inconvenience, that's life disruption.
And it's not just about being fast and efficient. Wholesale also seems to get that trust is a big thing.
Oh, for sure.
They talk a lot about transparent pricing, no hidden fees, and using only licensed experienced technicians.
Makes sense. When your AC's broken, you don't want to worry about getting ripped off or having some amateur messing with your system.
It's like they're saying, we're the good guys. We'll tell you exactly what's wrong and what it'll cost to fix it.
Refreshing, isn't it? So many companies try to hide stuff in the fine print. These guys seem to be going for that straightforward, honest approach.
And they even take it a step further by offering those preventative maintenance plans.
Oh, yeah. Those are key, especially in Miami where your AC's running almost constantly. Regular maintenance can save you a ton of headaches down the road.
So it's like instead of waiting for an emergency, you're being proactive?
Exactly. Think of it like going to the dentist. Better to catch a cavity early than wait till you need a root canal.
Great analogy. And speaking of taking care of things, they also mention offering Rheem AC units for people who need a full system replacement.
So they're not just about repairs. They're covering the whole spectrum from maintenance to upgrades.
It's like a one-stop shop for all your AC needs. So if we fast forward to Miami in 2025 and your AC goes kaput, Wholesale's making a pretty strong case for why you should give them a call.
Yeah, they've definitely hit on all the important points. Affordable, efficient, transparent, reliable. They seem to have it all figured out.
But this deep dive isn't just about finding a good AC company. It's also about looking ahead to the future of AC technology.
Right, like what else might be out there by 2025?
We've got smart thermostats and high-efficiency filters now. But what about AC units powered by renewable energy or systems that predict breakdowns before they happen?
Or how about super quiet AC units? Or systems that let you control the temperature in each room individually?
No more arguing with the family about the thermostat. That would be amazing. The possibilities are pretty exciting.
Yeah, technology is constantly evolving. It's going to be interesting to see what comes next in the world of AC.
So while Wholesale might be ahead of the game right now, who knows what the AC landscape will look like in a few years?
Exactly. It's all about innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
And for those of us who live in hot climates, that's something to be thankful for.
Absolutely. Keeping cool is only going to get more important in the years to come.
So if you're in Miami and dreading that 2025 summer heat, Wholesale might be a good place to start your search for an AC solution.
Definitely worth checking out. They seem to understand what it takes to keep Miami cool.
It's kind of cool how Wholesale has made themselves into more than just an AC repair company.
Yeah, I see that.
They've really tapped into the psychology of it. AC in Miami is practically a lifeline. It's not just a convenience.
Exactly. They get that a broken AC down there is a major disruption. It can even be a health risk for some people.
And they've designed their whole business around that idea. Speed, transparency, preventative maintenance. It all adds up to this sense of, we've got you covered.
Like they're saying, don't worry, we'll take care of it. It's almost a security blanket.
And that's huge in an industry that doesn't always have the best reputation.
Oh, yeah. So many AC companies are notorious for shady practices. Wholesale seems to be doing the opposite. Like they're actively trying to build trust.
And it makes you wonder, could this approach work in other industries too?
I think it could. Anything that's considered an essential service, where a breakdown causes major stress or disruption, plumbers, electricians, internet providers, there's a real need for that kind of reliability and trust.
It's about going beyond just the transaction and building a relationship with your customers.
Right. It's about understanding their needs and anxieties and addressing them head on.
And I think that's what Wholesale has done so well. They've humanized the AC repair experience.
It's not just about fixing a machine, it's about taking care of people.
So as we wrap up this deep dive into affordable AC in Miami, it seems like there are two big takeaways here.
Okay, sure.
First, Wholesale's a great example of how to do customer service, right? Build trust, address anxieties, and make people feel secure.
Couldn't agree more.
And second, the future of AC technology is wide open. There's so much potential for innovation in the years to come.
Yeah, who knows what we'll be seeing in 2025 and beyond. It's exciting to think about.
Absolutely. Well, it's been great exploring this topic with you.
Likewise, always a pleasure.
And to everyone listening, stay cool out there. We'll catch you on the next deep dive.